Hey, what's going on, everybody? On YouTube, Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com, coming back to you with another video. And one of the major pieces of the puzzle to building a successful business, it might be on eBay, Amazon, you might be going to thrift stores or drop shipping. This is really key. It's each and every day choosing a couple things and moving forward with them on a regular basis. One of the biggest things that holds people back in business is they have these big goals, these big dreams. They want to start an eBay dropshipping business and go from $0 to $2 million in 3 months. And they've got a million things they have to do. And before you know it, they get overwhelmed and they do nothing, right? It's not a race. It's not who's going to get there the fastest, who's going to make the most money the quickest. It's a matter of looking yourself in the mirror and being better than you were the day before. So one of the biggest things and one of the most important things that I practice on a regular basis is figuring out exactly what I want to accomplish and making sure that it's a sustainable goal, something that I actually believe. So if I've never done, an eBay dropshipping business before, I'm not going to set a goal of making $5 million in 2 months. Maybe a better goal would be making $1,000 my first 60 days and then hitting that goal and slowly building upon that. And then maybe 3 months down the road, setting a goal of $5,000 a month, and then 8 months down the road, $10,000 a month. Because when you start to hit small goals and you start to accomplish things, your self-esteem improves, your confidence grows, and you start to believe in yourself. And it's like a muscle. When you train it at the gym, your muscle gets stronger. When you accomplish your goals, your self-esteem, your confidence gets stronger, and you start to attack bigger goals. But one of the biggest challenges that I've faced over the years, and I see a lot of others face, is they bite off more than they can chew, and they get overwhelmed. So really the key is to get started, set a goal that is something that is maybe a little outside your comfort zone, but something you can definitely hit. And then start to slowly but surely take action on a regular basis. You don't have to start a business and do 30 things a day. You can literally pick the top 3 things each and every day to accomplish, or 3 goals each week, and attack those. And over time, 2 weeks is gonna go by, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months is gonna go by, and you're gonna start getting things done. And that's the key in business. If you want to achieve your goals, if you want to reach your outcomes, you've got to do things. A lot of times we're stuck in the planning phase and we're strategizing and we're going through courses, but we're not actually taking action and getting things done. If you want to reach your goals, you've got to get things done. And a lot of times, like I said, people set these outrageous, outlandish goals, they get overwhelmed, or maybe they take off like a racehorse and they do a bunch and then they burn out after a month and they give up. It's all about the slow, steady progress, right? It's all about taking action on a regular basis and, attacking and, overcoming small little goals over time, which are then gonna lead you to, accomplishing your big goals. So really the main message that I want to get across in this video is choose 2 to 3 things each and every day to accomplish. 2 to 3 things that if you accomplish them, they would make a real impact in your business. Pareto's principle, the 80-20 rule. Typically, 20% of the things that you do are going to pretty much bring about 80% of your results. So what are the 20% of things that you can do right now in your Amazon business or your eBay dropshipping business that's gonna make the biggest impact, right? Start to write down the most highest leverage things you can do and start to accomplish them. You don't have to work 10, 12, 14 hours a day to reach your goals, especially if you have a goal of making an extra couple $100 a month or supplementing your 9 to 5 by, creating an income stream of an extra $1,000 a month. These things are possible, right? But start with small, sustainable goals, accomplish them, take action on a regular basis, build up that self-esteem, build up that confidence, and over the long haul, you're gonna feel unstoppable. And then you're gonna really be able to start to take on some of those big goals. And that's how people have real success. When you look at these people who are putting up $30,000 a month and $100,000 a month, or even $5,000 a month or $3,000 a month, they didn't get there overnight by working 18 hours a day for a 1 month period. Most of them spent 2 to 3 hours after their 9 to 5 and slowly built up their business. They made mistakes. They got knocked down. They fell down, but they got back up. They kept their eye on the prize. They kept working. They were working smart. They went through their courses. They went through training. They listened to podcasts, but they spent 2 to 3 times more implementing and taking action and doing. So hopefully this video gets you motivated and inspired. I've been making money online for about 5 years. I have multiple income streams that I built up, but it doesn't happen overnight. It's not easy. It takes time, but you can definitely do it. So hopefully you guys found value in this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.